Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Harji Creations. In this video I would like to describe a very pretty and easy knitting pattern. It is a 3D reversible knitting pattern. It is also very easy for the absolute beginners. From the right side it looks like this, and from the wrong side it looks like this. So from both sides it looks like same. See here. This pattern can be used for making a baby sweater, frock, blanket, jacket, etc. Friends, it is a 8 rows repeat knitting pattern, and stitches needed for cast on are the multiple of 10 plus 1 extra stitch and plus 2 edge stitches. So let's start the tutorial. Friends, before starting the tutorial, if you really like my video, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive the notification of the upcoming video. Friends, for the demonstration I have cast on 23 stitches on my needle. 20 multiple of 10 plus 1 extra stitch and plus 2 edge stitches. So let's start the first row of the pattern. Right side, slip the edge stitch. After that our pattern will be start, and the pattern is knit 5 stitches. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Knit 5 stitches, yarn in front, purl 5 stitches. 1 2 3 4 and 5. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row, and the repeat pattern is yarn in back, knit 5 stitches. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Yarn in front, purl 5 stitches. 1 2 3 4 and 5. In this way we will complete our first row. At the last I have 2 stitches, so yarn in back, knit 1 stitch, and this is our edge stitch, so knit the edge stitch also. Second row, wrong side, slip the edge stitch, then purl 1 stitch. After that our pattern will be start, and the pattern is yarn in back, knit 5 stitches. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Yarn in front, purl 5 stitches. 1 2 3 4 and 5. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row, and the repeat pattern is yarn in back, knit 5 stitches. 1 2 3 4 5. Yarn in front, purl 5 stitches. 1 2 3 4 and 5. In this way we will complete our second row. At the last I have edge stitch, so purl the edge stitch. Third row, friends, third row will be same as of the row 1, so let's complete this row. Fourth row, wrong side. Fourth row will be same as of the row second, so let's complete the fourth row. Fifth row, slip the edge stitch. After that our pattern will be start, and the pattern is knit 1 stitch, yarn in front, purl 5 stitches. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Yarn in back, knit 4 stitches. 1 2 3 and 4. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row. Knit 1, purl 5, knit 4. So the repeat pattern is knit 1 stitch, yarn in front, purl 5 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yarn in back, knit 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3 and 4. In this way we will complete our 5th row. At the last I have 2 stitches, so knit the last 2 stitches. 6th row, slip the edge stitch, then purl 1 stitch. After that our pattern will be start, and the pattern is purl 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3 and 4, yarn in back, knit 5 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, yarn in front, purl 1 stitch. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row. Purl 4, knit 5, purl 1. So the repeat pattern is purl 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3 and 4, yarn in back, knit 5 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yarn in front, purl 1 stitch. In this way we will complete our 6th row. At the last I have edge stitch, so purl that stitch. 7th row will be same as of the row 5th, so let's complete this row. Eighth row will be same as of the row 6th, so let's complete this row. So friends, after the 8 rows our pattern is ready like this. From the right side it looks like this, and wrong side like this. We will repeat our row 1 to 8 for the desired length of the pattern. I hope you will like my video. Thank you for watching my video and enjoying knitting with us.